What I have for you today is a Toshiba microwave oven, and right here, right below where it says Toshiba, it says taste matters, and taste certainly does matter. From the box it says auto menus, energy saving eco mode, people like to save energy. Even defrosting, that means that if you're trying to defrost a chicken or a steak, the whole thing will be defrosted at roughly the same rate. And it's got an LED cavity light, that's going to save you some electricity right there. Microwave input power, 1550 watts. That's powerful. On the top of the box, you have the glass rotating table and the little wheelie thing that the rotating table sits on inside the microwave. You plug it in, you see the light comes on. It's got an extremely large 1.2 cubic feet capacity. The rated output for this microwave is 1100 watts. I'm going to be demonstrating this microwave today in a manner that is standard. I'm going to be microwaving just a regular frozen microwave meal like you might get at your supermarket. Let's stick it into the microwave. First you hit the cook time button, then you punch in the time, then you turn it on. Hot, 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 hot. So everything is hot, everything is cooked. Tofu curry on rice. Let's try it. Perfect. Came out absolutely perfect. This is a really, really, really nice microwave. All I had to do was just follow the instructions, and the dinner came out absolutely perfectly. Well, I'm going to finish my dinner, but before I do that, I want to thank the nice people at Toshiba. They sent me this. So thank you, Toshiba, and to those of you that are watching, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, I want you to give me a thumbs up. I want you to subscribe. If you've got a comment, whether you like something, didn't like something, leave a comment below the video. And whether you like the video or not, I want you to have a nice day, nice week, nice year, and a nice life. Now I'm going to go have a nice dinner.